How to fix Zenless Zone 0 stuck on black screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the black screen error in Zenless Zone 0. So in order to fix the issue, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply verify your game files. For that, you need to launch your game launcher, for example, Epic Games Launcher, and then you need to find Zenless Zone 0 in your library. Then you need to locate the option to verify files or manage, might have different wording depending on the launcher. Then you need to click on verify files and similar option. This will check the game installation for corrupted and missing files and fix them automatically. Then you need to wait for the verification process to finish. This might take a few minutes depending on your game size. Once done, you just have to launch Zenless Zone 0 again and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then you can try to update the graphic drivers. For that, you just have to first identify your graphics card model, whether it is Nvidia or AMD. Then you need to go to the respective website, whether it is Nvidia or AMD, and from there you just have to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card model. Then you need to restart your computer after the driver installation is complete. Try launching Zenless Zone 0 again to see if the black screen issue is resolved or not. With the help of these two methods, you are definitely going to fix this issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.